lot of beautiful old houses, also restored, probably turned into offices. It's a whole road just with this, eh? It's fantastic. So is this part of the PECBD or not, love?
No, this is like destination is on the left. Do you want to see PECBD?
Let's see everything.
No, but I'm there in front. Destination is on the left. So bring this up.
Yeah, this seems to be no park according with the GPS.
Oh, I will show you this road. Stanley Street. It's so beautiful. We can go have dinner here one night. It's like a very artist, you know, like artistic place.
Like the Mambo Nenga of the place. And we got the sea right there.
Fossil Hill is the oldest houses in the
Yeah. So these houses look really cool, eh?
That's church.
So look at that.
Yeah, we'll definitely show you some really beautiful areas here.
Wow. So it's a Richmond Hill.
It's Richmond Hill.
And look at this.
This is a house.
So this is like Stanley Street where we're going to now. Just a street full of restaurants. Really nice to come out at night. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Then you will arrive at your destination. Okay, so just do the whole street here.
This is so
I'll show
cool.
you guys this.
Sure.
Turn right. Then turn right.
Wow.
In 100 meters, you will arrive at your destination. Stanley.
So this is Stanley Street.
It's a nice design.
Also some very cool street art. So these old buildings, they look immaculate.
So look at it.
So look at these streets.
Yeah, that looks also like an old town, but this is not really the town of Ely. This is just the old town. Turn right. Just gonna go straight.
Okay, so this is cemetery.
All the people that don't make it up to the game, they barely win.
Okay, so we got St. George Park, also, I think. Okay, let's continue so we can see that part of the.
So these are private hospitals we do.
Park here, you go. Probably the main stadium here in PE. Show you guys now the name. It's taken care of, eh? Alphabet St. George Stadium. Thrilling house gate.
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Now let me show you guys also the Nelson Mandela Art Museum. Yep, there you go. Nelson Mandela Metropolitan Museum. Fantastic, eh? Wow. Nelson Mandela Metropolitan Art Museum, there you go.
Straight.
So wow. I wish like half of the Joburg buildings will look like this.
So what?
Turn right.
Okay, we actually have
White
more
paper,
stadiums
sorry,
around here.
this? Yeah,
Okay, so this is like the CBD of Port Elizabeth. It's a lot of heritage buildings, eh?
Turn right. Then, turn left.
So we want to show you now is the main library building.
Turn left. In 100 meters, turn right. Turn right. Then, turn left.
So everything is like overlooking the sea.
Is she taking it over?
Sure, I have no idea. That's a very nice, beautiful church there, guys. You can see the roof.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Ah, okay, we're going down. This is Castle Hill.
So it's Castle Hill.
Yeah, so this
Where's
is
the castle?
This is where the old. Just check if it's East Castle Hill there. This is where the old settlers came and stayed. No, this can't be because it's student accommodation. Because they're not allowed to touch it.
Mandela.
No, we need
Turn
to
right.
check there.
So beautiful, eh? Look at that. Wow. So tell us a story about this place, baby.
So
In
this is
200
where
meters, turn left.
this was in memorial for Elizabeth Dalton, his wife, and this is how
Yeah.
Port Elizabeth got its name as well.
Wow. Sure, now this is just overlooking the port and everything. Can we walk here? You guys comment down below if you know all these buildings. Wow. Yeah. Sure, yeah, that's. much potential this city has. Hello.
That's the houses that were not touched. Those are the houses that the settlers lived in when they first came. And those houses are the national heritage site.
Sure. Oh wait, so that's called King Edward Hotel. Okay.
So this here was built as a lighthouse because the water was closer to me.
Yeah.
And the water receded. And in that there is the 1820 settlers building. There you'll see it there. That's
Which
in the
one?
heart. That one that's sticking out there. That brown building.
That brown building there.
Yeah.
Are we gonna see it also? So that one.
I don't think we should. It's in the heart of CBD.
Art of CBD.
Yeah. But come, let's go and do the...
So in that part there? What's
That's
this?
just the harbour.
Just I think we came from there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come, let's go.
Goes to towards here.
I don't know.
So look at that is beautiful, eh?
So it's one of the old churches. And this is Castle.
So this is Castle Hill.
And you
Yeah.
had a whole lot of squatters living in it.
So they had squatters living here and then they kicked them out and they...
It's now a natural heritage site.
A national heritage site. Wow.
Well, it's calm. No one can tamper with
Well, that's how it looked like. So it was revamped, I guess.
it. And now we're going into PCBD main road.
PCBD Main Road. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is the CBD of PE.
In 200 meters, turn right.
So look at that one
So
there.
that was the old Parliament building.
Wow.
When I was a child, I would come here in, like with a bus with my mom to go do shopping.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, even... So look at this old building. They're only using the bottom part of it for the stores. Oh, now it's being used. Oh no. Wow. No, but the heritage buildings here they are... Is it a functional park? Okay guys, so that's the public library. You guys can see there. So this is like for PE, like Church Square is for Pretoria CBD. Here you go, that's the... So look at that. Something I take from PE is that they know to take care of their buildings around here, eh? Wow. What you guys think down below?
That is the old newspaper house there.
Which one? That one there?
This was our opera house.
This one?
Yeah.
It's only here in front.
This
Wow.
is where all the theatre and the shows and stuff like this.
Wow.
And it was built in 1927.
1927.
Wait, I'm gonna stand.
There you go. This is the Opera House, which actually was built in 1927. So this is basically up from the place that we were just there.
Houses. And I'll try to show you more.
Grand
behind.
Hotel. I would love to do a haunted tour here, eh?
Yeah, there's a lot of haunted places here. But I want to take you guys, and I want to also show you the nice parts of the place with the beautiful houses and the development. And
Turn left.
So it's the Little Theatre. So this is the Faculty of Law Services.
Turn left. Then, slight right.
Shall we get this house, eh? Wow. Spectacular.
so I think it's this road. This is where we used to go to our campus. Maybe it's
In 500 meters,
someone else.
turn right.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna make a turn.
Summer Strand.
Keep left at the fork.
I like this highway entrance, eh? Wow. Look at that.
I swam. It's just swim. It's just
Premium milling.
this
Was
is
this-
a bad part of it. This is a big post office. That's not
So this was the old post office building. Okay, so that's the stadium. That was used for the World Cup. Okay, awesome. It's a beautiful stadium, eh?